Hi boys and girls! So for today's read aloud, we are going to be rereading Life in a Rainforest, okay? And as we reread this for a second time, I want to see what are maybe some new things that you might have learned, or what are some new ideas that you had as we reread, okay? So before we get started, I'm going to reread a couple pages and just to get some of our ideas and maybe some wonderings started, okay? So I'm going to reread this page, okay? It says, rainforests grow near the equator. They also grow along some seacoasts. And there was this map here that shows where rainforests are around the world. So do you have any new ideas or wonderings about this page? Do you know what's one thing I'm wondering? I wonder if there are rainforests maybe around us. That's something to wonder about. Okay, now I'm going to turn back to this page before we get started. I'm going to reread this, and it says, living together. Rainforest animals live in the trees or on the ground. Many plants grow in rainforests. Rainforests are full of life. So this page is telling me that in rainforests there are animals and plants and they all live together. Do you have any ideas or wonderings about this? So here's something that I wonder. I wonder if the plants and animals can live without each other in the rainforest. Okay, so we're going to get started with reading, and I want you to keep thinking, what are some new things that you've learned, and what are some new ideas and wonderings that you may have? Okay, ready? Life in a rainforest. Life in a rainforest. And here's the table of contents. What are rainforests? A rainforest is a large area of land covered with trees and plants. Rain falls almost every day in a rainforest. Rainforests grow near the equator. They also grow along some seacoasts. Rainforest animals. Snakes hunt in rainforest trees. They also slither across the rainforest floor. So I'm going to stop here for a moment and I want you to look at this picture, right? This shows a snake slithering. Oh, can you act that out with me? Can you slither like a snake? Now that we acted out slither, what do you think the word slither means? So slither means to move around by twisting and sliding. That's how snakes slither and move around, right? Okay, let's continue reading. Tree frogs hop onto tree branches. They eat insects. Many tree frogs are bright colors. And remember this part, we acted it out last time. You can continue acting out these parts, right? Tree frogs hop. Apes swing from vines high in the rainforest canopy. Rainforest plants. Tall trees keep the rain from soaking into the ground. The tops of tall trees form the rainforest canopy. Figs grow on fig trees in rainforests. Birds and monkeys eat figs. Ferns grow on the forest floor in the canopy's shade. Ferns have many narrow leaves. Living together. Rainforest animals live in the trees or on the ground. Many plants grow in rainforests. Rainforests are full of life. So now that we've read this book 2 times, what are some new ideas or wonderings that you have about life in a rainforest? Right. So I had some wonderings as well. Like, I wonder if there are rainforests around us or what other animals live in the rainforest, right? And maybe another wondering is, how do the plants and animals live and work together in the rainforest, right? So another thing that I'm wondering is that we also read a book about life in an ocean. So are there maybe some things that are the same between life in an ocean and life in a rainforest? Or what are some things that are different between these 2 books? Yeah, maybe something that is similar is that in both the ocean and the rainforest, there are both plants and animals living in these places, right? And maybe one difference is that this is all underwater. In rainforests, there is a lot of water, but the trees sometimes cover all the water, right? Okay, great job on our read aloud today. Bye, boys and girls.